Daewoo Enertec. Daewoo Enertec is striving to save energy by preserving the Earth's environment and promoting efficient heating. Let me explain Daewoo Enertec's ultra-power-saving electric hot water pipe heating system. First, the insulation step. After being insulated by using styrofoam and Listerine, you should wait until the insulating material becomes solid. Then check the electric wires that are connected to the checkbox and controller and remove any dust. Second, the heat reflection step. Silver foil is used to work on the secondary insulation process. Third, the backer board step. The clip bar and mesh are installed. These will firmly fix the XL pipe. Fourth, the XL pipe is fixed onto the clip bar. Next, the checkbox is installed. Cables along the designated electrical wiring are connected and finished off with the insulation tape. After firmly fixing the lid of the checkbox, waterproof treatment is provided by applying adhesive tape. After leveling process, it is firmly fixed by applying cement. Then is the installation of the controller. Connect the clip to the cable, then connect these to the controller along the designated electric wires. After connecting, fix the controller firmly on the support on the wall. Fifth, the screeding step. This step is completed by applying mortar. This product is used in several places such as private homes, training centers, and restaurants.